Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply fix your marketplace not showing problem in your Facebook app. Before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So simply go to your app store, play store, or app. So what you will do is you will simply just go to search bar and search a particular app and check if your app needs to be updated or not. In my case, my Facebook app needs to be updated. I will simply tap on this update option over here and it will start being updated. As you can see, it's done being updated. Now it's showing option called open over here. So we'll simply update your app and again go back to your app and check if it's there or not. And if it's still not fixing your problem, then you will simply tap on your profile again on your top right corner. And as you can see in this list, if your marketplace is not showing, so what you will do is take a simple screenshot over here and then you will tap on this help and support option, and then you will see the option called report a problem. Tap on it and here you can see just disable this feature first. Go back, tap on it again. Now tap on report problem, and if you want to include this over there, then you can simply have include in a report. Then you can search the topic, so you can see the marketplace topic, and here you will have this screenshot taken by Facebook itself, but you can discard this one and upload this screenshot that I told you to take if your marketplace is not showing in the list over there. Then you will simply describe your issue. So once you're done with your little message with addressing your issue over there, then you can simply tap on upload from a phone. Simply upload a screenshot, and just to show you over here, once you're done with your attachment over here, then you can tap on this little send option over there. Simply tap on it and your report will be sent to Facebook itself. They will look into it, and as soon as possible they will simply sort your problem out. So after a while you can simply go back to your Facebook, relog in, reinstall your app, and check if the problem is solved or not. So yeah, this is how you can simply solve your marketplace not showing problem over there. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.